Hello everyone. So today we'll be talking about reminder apps that are pre-installed and downloadable. So first we'll talk about reminder apps and what they are. Then we will talk about pre-installed reminder apps that are already installed on your Apple or Android device. Then we'll talk about downloadable reminder apps, which can be downloaded from your App Store. So intro to reminder apps. What are reminder apps? Reminder apps are apps on your device that allow you to write and create notes to remember. They are good for remembering things you might forget and are a good alternative to writing reminders on a paper. Why are they useful? They are helpful for forgetful people as an easy, accessible, and organizable reminder tool. The things you can do with them include write reminders and organize them, use them as a checklist, set up alerts for events, share your list with others, and set up reminders for the future. Pre-installed reminder apps. So what are pre-installed reminder apps? Pre-installed apps are applications that are already on your device when you buy it. They are downloaded before you buy the device and can be deleted in the future and can also be re-downloaded if you have deleted it. So different brands have different pre-installed apps, but the ones that we'll be discussing are the Apple Reminders app and the Android Calendar app. So Reminders. Reminders is a pre-installed app on Apple devices. You can use it to create reminders by either typing or using the Siri function. There are also different organization functions, so you can group and sort your reminders. You can share your reminder lists with others and set alarms, notifications for your reminders. This application can only be found on iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and Mac computers. So when you first open the application, this is what the layout should look like. On top below the edit button, you will see the search bar, and you can use this to find reminders by typing in their names. Then from the today option, you can search through the reminders that are set for that day. The all option will show you reminders in every folder. And to make new reminders, you can press the new reminder button at the bottom left corner of the screen. The one that says schedule is used for setting reminders on specific days in the future. Then you can also have custom folders or lists, and you can make these to sort your reminders. To make a list, you need to press the Add List button on the bottom right corner of the screen. If you open a list, you should be able to see the reminders inside that folder. So here in this folder, there are 4 reminders that are named Hello Cyber Seniors and exclamation marks. So these are reminders. If you want to add a new reminder, you can use the new reminder button to add one. If you want to mark something as done, you can click on the checkbox here. Once you do that, it will turn orange and it will then disappear to mark that you have completed that task. When you click on a reminder, you will be able to edit it. For more settings, click on the info button that shows up when you click on a reminder. When you click the info button, these settings would pop up. Here you can change the name of the reminder. You can add extra notes. You can change the date and time of the reminder. You can make it repeat. So if you wanted to repeat like every week or every day, you can add that setting from here. You can also organize it by giving it priority. So if it's an important reminder, you can set it as high priority. But if it's not important, you can just keep it at none. You can also add it to lists to sort the reminders. The Calendar app. So Calendar is a pre-installed app on Android devices. You can use it like a normal calendar to check dates. You can add events on certain days and set alarms and notifications for the events. You can share events on your calendar with others. So this is what the application layout looks like. And the current date will be highlighted with a blue box. So this highlighted box represents the current date. The calendar has preset events for national holidays and celebration. So here we can see it shows September 6th as Labor Day. You can make your own events and reminders using the calendar application. Calendar events. To add an event, you can either press the green button at the bottom of the screen, or you can double tap the date which you want to set the event to. Once you decide what day you want to set a reminder at, and press the add button, you can write the name of the reminder on the top in the title box. You can set the dates and times for when you want your device to alert you. You can also adjust some settings like the location. You can set how long before the reminder should it alert you. You can add a repeat option. You can add notes, and you can also attach a file. You can also set different time zones, and in the end, if you when you're done with everything, you can just hit the save option and it saves the reminder. Downloadable reminder apps. So downloadable apps are applications that are not already on your device, but you can get them from the App Store or the Google Play Store. So the three applications we will talk about are Minimalist, Google Keep, and Todoist. So Minimalist. So some of the features are, it has a simple list design. It has shareable lists, which can be shared through Safari links and iCloud syncing. It has reminder functions, which are like alarms and notifications. It has Touch ID and Face ID security, so you can choose which one you want. It also has many custom settings. Some of the drawbacks are it is only available on Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, and iMacs. It is free to download, but many features require the premium subscription. So if you want it only for a month, you can pay 99 cents. And if you want the yearly subscription, you can pay $5.99. Google Keep. So some of the features are that the reminders can be typed, voice recorded, photographed, or drawn. Notes are shareable with other app users. So if someone else uses this app, you can share the notes with them. There is color-coded organization features, which makes it user-friendly. Location and time-based alerts and settings are all present on this application. It is free to download, though it uses a Google account. So if you don't have a Google account, you won't be able to use this application. It is available on both Apple and Android devices. Some of the drawbacks of this application are that it does not work well on handheld Apple devices. There's also no security locks like the Minimalist app had, so it has privacy issues, and it has no font customization either. Todoist. So its features are you can type or voice record reminders. You have date and time reminder settings, so you can set the date and time you want the reminder to remind you at. There are repeat settings. It has organization features like boards, priority levels, and progress tracking. The lists are shareable with others, and it is free to download, although some of the premium features require a subscription. It is available on both Apple and Android devices. So now is the time for the live demo. So first, I am going to show you the pre-installed calendar application on Windows devices. So this is the calendar app that comes pre-installed on Windows devices. To set a reminder, you can click on any day. For example, I want to set a reminder for like 2 minutes from now. So I can click on today. So this is highlighted with the blue bar over here. So if I left click here, it gives me the option. So event name, I can just set it as test. If you want it to be set for all day, you can select this option, but if you want custom timing, you can just deselect it and then choose the time. So for example, I want this from, so let's just say I want this from like 4 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. You can add a location if you want to, and you can set a time of when you want it to remind you. Should it be like 15 minutes before the event or like just when the event starts. So I'm just going to do this 0 minutes before and save. So this has set a reminder for like 4 o'clock to 4:30, but since it's already 4:19, it's not doing anything right now. I'm just going to reset this. So new event test. So 4:30 p.m. and remind me right now. So if I save this, there should be a pop-up at the bottom right corner of the screen. Just give this a few seconds. Okay, you know what? We'll just wait for that when it shows up. So here you can change the view. So right now it's showing me every day in the month. I can change this to the year option, and now it's going to show me like every year, every month in the year, and I can decide which month I want to set it in. So I could go to September and go to 2nd September. So your friend's birthday or something, and it will remind me on that day that it's my friend's birthday and I have to wish him. So kind of like that. Now I'm going to show you how to use the Todoist application. It also has a website, so you can use it on your web browser too. So I'm just going to minimize this and go here. So to use this, you just have to type Todoist in your search bar and you press enter. This should lead you to their website. So if I click on this option, I am already logged in right now. So I'm just going to log out and get started. So once you open the website, you have to sign up. You can use your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Apple account. So I'm just going to continue with Google and that. And this leads me to the web page. So to add a new task, I can just add a new task for today, saying like webinar. And so this would remind me, and I can set a time. So webinar at 4 p.m. So it says today at 4 p.m. This will remind me then. So I could set this for tomorrow actually. So tomorrow at Friday. So tomorrow at 4 p.m. This will remind me that there is a webinar and I have to attend it. So I just, you can also add labels. So add label as important. So if I click on this, this adds an important label and it'll be visible from here. So if I hit the important here, it'll show me all the reminders I have set. So I'm just going to go to today for now. Sorry. You can also edit your reminders. So if you just hover on this, there's a pen option here that says edit. If I click on this option, it gets me back here. Yeah, I can also add priority levels. So if I set this at priority 1 and mark it as important, it will show up under the filters here. And it will be under priority 1. So I can see it here. So these features are basically to highlight your important reminders. So if you have a lot of reminders, it'll make it easier for you to highlight it. So I'm just going to edit this again. You can also add like a reminder alarm, but that's only available with the premium plans. So, and that costs money. So if you want to go for that plan, it will also unlock the alarm feature. And if you want to mark it as done, you can just hit the checkbox here. So if I click on this, it just disappears and it's marked as done. So you're done with that task now. Now, if you want to see like add a reminder for upcoming days, you can go to this upcoming option here. If I click on that, it shows me all the upcoming days. So August 6th, tomorrow, I can add a task. Or maybe I could write like I have to go get groceries because I actually do. So I could add a reminder for that. If you want any like technical help with this, when you create a new account, there will be a welcome option under projects. So you can actually go there and check out their pre-existing help things. So it's basically some of the pre-existing features and it'll guide you through how to use them. I'm just going to create a new account here so you can see it. So this is the welcome feature. Here you can see some of the pre-existing help options. So you can click on this task to see more details. So once I click on it, it will tell me what I can read the description, what it's for. Like, is it a birthday or is it a trip or something I'm planning? I can read that kind of stuff, and how to add a new task. So if you can't figure out how to add a new task, you can use this one for help. You can also go further and you can customize it. So if you want to change your templates, so I can click on that. And this will show me all the templates I can use to customize it. You can learn how to use it, use this application with a guide. So you can click on this again, and it shows let's begin. So how to start a project. And there's a video here you can watch to learn how to do that. So I'm going to show you how to start a project now. So projects are basically like folders which you can share with your friends. So here I have a test folder named Cyber Seniors. I can actually share this using this share option here, and I can share it to my other account. And basically what it make it possible for the second person to come here and edit things. They could also make their own list, and then you can view their agenda and stuff like that. And that's it for the live demo. Thank you for watching.